Hi, many people play roulette as a beginner's game when they enter a casino. Being new to the game, the natural tendency is to place a bet on red or black, odd or even. You might even admire the guts that people have to place bets on a single individual number and may describe this as a sure lose tactic since the odds of winning are extremely slim. This video is meant to explain that in actual fact, to the casino, all bets are actually the same. First, let's look at the payouts of most of the bets that people make when playing roulette. If I were to place a single dollar on odd, even, black or red, the payout, if I win, would be 1-to-1. If I place a dozen, the payout would be 2-to-1. If I place a bet on a single number, I would get 35-to-1. That's of course if I win. Now let's look further. This game is a matter of probability. That is, the probability of winning and losing. My anticipated winnings at the end of the day can be determined by the likelihood of my winnings and losings. And this is what we call expected value, which is basically the winnings multiplied by the probability, adding the losses that I would get multiplied by the probability of me losing. Now let's look at the board. In a typical roulette, there are 38 numbers, 1 to 36, 0 and 00. Of course, in some other versions of roulette, there's only 0 instead of the 00. So over here, if I were to place a single bet on odd, and this could also apply to even, black or red, the expected probability of me winning is 18/38, as there are 18 odd numbers. The payout to me would be 1, and that's why I multiply 1 by 18/38. If I were to lose, I would lose 1, and the probability of that happening is 20 out of 38 possibilities. The sum of that would be -2/38. If I place my bet on a dozen, on the first 12, second 12, or third 12, the expected payout if I win would be 2. The probability of that happening is 12 out of 38 possibilities. If I were to lose, I will lose my bet. Probability of that happening is 26 out of 38 possibilities. Sum of that is -2/38. Now, if I place my bet on a single number, lucky number 8, the payout for that would be 35. Possibilities of that happening is 1 out of 38 possibilities. If I lose, it would be -1, and the probability of that happening is 37 out of 38 possibilities, also giving -2 out of 38. And so you can see, through all the examples that we've given, the consistent outcome is -2 out of 38. Which gives rise to the common understanding that the house always wins.